Hello, thanks for watching. This is just a quick message about Urban Survivalist .online. It's not a .com, it's a .online. The website is urbansurvivalist.online. The article today is just about walking around emergency money. Everybody's got emergency money. I've urged you guys for years to have an emergency account. But the emergency account is probably in a bank or probably somewhere where it's a little difficult to get to. Today, I'm talking about having some with you just in case. We've been having a couple of blackouts with some of the ATM networks. So do get over to Urban Survivalist online and read today's article. While you're here, give this website, this YouTube channel, a thumbs up. This video, give me a thumbs up if you would, if you don't mind. There's a little red square over here where you can subscribe to this YouTube channel. Boy, I'd love it if you'd do that. Leave me a comment down below. Down below is also where I'm leaving you uh, a link to get to the website Urban Survivalist Online. So there's a link down there. There's a place for you to leave your comments, which I would love to have. I will answer them quickly. Love for you to watch this video all the way to the end. Therefore, I'm keeping it pretty short. I'll see you next time. Thanks.